Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you why I've been loving my Bioderma Micellar water. The fact that this is 3-in-1 is a plus. This cleanses my face, removes my makeup, and moisturizes as well. Super easy to use. You just use some cotton balls, you add a little bit of micellar water, and you're gonna see how great this works. There's no need for you to put pressure. You can gently wipe your face, your eyes, your mascara, and you're going to see how this micellar water gets into the skin, removing all of that makeup. I also like that it has no smell and it is extremely gentle on my skin. This is great since this doesn't leave your face stiff or dry, but it leaves it super soft and hydrated. So if you're looking to save time by cleansing, moisturizing, and removing your makeup, then definitely go with this micellar by Bioderma, but that's just my point of view.